Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to the channel where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today's video is all about how to buy options on Robinhood. If you're curious about diving into options trading to potentially boost your portfolio, you're in the right place. But before we jump in, let's quickly cover the basics. First off, what exactly is an option? It's a financial contract that gives you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a stock at a specific price before a set date. There are two main types: calls, which let you buy a stock, and puts, which let you sell it. Sounds straightforward, right? But here's the catch: options trading can be risky. You could lose your entire investment quickly, so only use money you can afford to lose, and consider educating yourself further or talking to a financial advisor. Now, let's get to the fun part: the step-by-step guide on Robinhood. Start by opening the Robinhood app on your phone or computer. Make sure your account is approved for options trading. Robinhood will guide you through an application process if you haven't done that yet. Step 1. Log in and search for the stock you're interested in. For example, let's say you want to buy options for Apple, AAPL. Type it into the search bar. Step 2. Once you find the stock, tap on it and look for the Trade button. Then, select Options from the menu. This will bring up the options chain, showing different strike prices and expiration dates. Step 3. Decide on your strategy. Choose whether you want a call or a put option. Pick an expiration date. Remember, shorter terms are riskier, and select a strike price that's realistic based on the current stock price. Step 4. Enter the number of contracts you want to buy. Each contract usually covers 100 shares, so keep an eye on the total cost. Step 5. Review everything carefully: the premium you're paying, potential profit, and risks. If it all looks good, hit buy and confirm the trade. And just like that, you've placed your first options trade. Always monitor your positions and set stop losses to manage risk. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading tips. What's your next trading move? Drop it in the comments below.